Hey there, welcome to Hustle Highway. Today, we're diving deep into the question that's on everyone's mind. How can you retire wealthy? Let's break down the strategies and mindset needed to achieve financial freedom. One of the most powerful tools in your retirement arsenal is time. The earlier you start saving and investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Even small amounts saved consistently can make a huge difference over the long term. Before you can start saving, it's essential to have a clear understanding of your finances. Create a detailed budget to track your income and expenses. Look for areas where you can cut back and redirect those savings towards your retirement goals. Investing is a crucial component of building wealth for retirement. Consider consulting with a financial advisor to create a personalized investment strategy. Diversification is key to managing risk. Explore options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and index funds. Don't rely solely on your primary income source. Building multiple income streams can provide financial stability and accelerate your path to retirement. Consider side hustles, rental properties, or starting a small business. As you build wealth, it's important to protect it. Ensure you have adequate insurance coverage, including life, health, and disability insurance. Consider estate planning to safeguard your assets and minimize taxes. Retiring wealthy is an achievable goal with the right strategies and mindset. Remember, it's never too late to start. Begin by creating a budget, investing wisely, and exploring multiple income streams. Thank you for watching Hustle Highway. Don't forget to subscribe for more financial tips and advice. Subscribe now for more financial freedom tips.